So hi guys, welcome back. So we're gonna learn about beginning consonant sound, and in this paper I'm gonna show you a few pictures, which is kita mau tahu ya, ini sebenarnya vowel atau consonant dalam bahasa Inggris seperti apa. So ada 4 gambar. Di sini aku sengaja pakai gambar hewan. Nah kita lihat gambar yang pertama, ada seekor sapi. Dalam bahasa Inggris kita akan bilang cow. Cow, C-O-W, which is the beginning consonant sound, C. C. So you're gonna circle this option, C. And the second one, kita melihat hewan, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D. Maka kita akan melingkari jawaban the first consonantnya, D. The third picture, pig, P-I-G. So, the beginning consonant sounds must be P. For the last picture, ini adalah kambing, G-O-A-T. Because the first consonant is G, so the answer is this one. Kalian bisa juga pelajari dari alfabet dengan lagu. Let's take a look the other example. A few pictures over here. The first picture, we see this one. We call it as hen. Hen, the first beginning sound is H. H. The second picture, pencil, P. This is turtle. So you need to circle T. The beginning sound is T. Leaf, L. Apple, A. Butterfly, B. How about this? This is a very beautiful natural phenomenon, which is rainbow. You might see after raining, rainbow, R. So this is about numbers, countable, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, F, F. And the last one is cup. Cup. C is for cup.